Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the physical connections. Plug each monitor into the correct GPU or dock port and power them on so Windows can detect both. Once done, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. This is where you control arrangement and scaling. Make sure cables are firmly seated and that any required adapters are attached. Otherwise, Windows may not see a display. You do this now so the system recognizes hardware before we configure resolution, orientation, and primary monitor. You'll now set how the screens behave. In Display Settings, click Identify to confirm which physical monitor maps to 1 or 2, then choose Extend to expand your desktop, or Duplicate if you want the same image. Next, set each monitor's resolution and scale so text and UI are consistent. Pick native resolution for clarity. Drag the monitor icons to match their physical placement. Once aligned, click Apply and keep changes. This reduces mouse jumps and makes moving windows predictable across displays. To finish, choose which monitor is primary so new windows and the taskbar default there. Select the monitor and check Make this my main display. Then tweak taskbar and multi-monitor behavior in taskbar settings to control where icons and notifications appear. If a monitor isn't detected, reconnect cables, swap ports, and update GPU drivers. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, restart the PC. A reboot forces Windows to re-enumerate displays and often fixes detection or resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.